how to block internet access for an app or browser in Windows 10 and 11. On your PC, press Windows plus S, type Windows Defender Firewall, and click on the result. Towards the left in Windows Firewall, click on the Advanced Settings option. Now go to Outbound Rules and then click New Rule on the right. In the new Outbound Rule Wizard, select Program from the list of options since we are blocking an app, and click Next. You can either enter the program's path in the text field or click on Browse and manually select the executable. I chose the latter. We are blocking internet access for Microsoft Edge, the built-in browser. So go to This PC, then into the C drive, select the Program Files or Program Files 86 directory, depending on where the app is stored. Navigate to its folder within the directory, choose the launcher, and click Open. Once done, click on Next to proceed. Now choose the Block this connection option to restrict internet access and click Next. When asked for the rules application, pick all three: Domain, Private, and Public, and click on Next. Next, enter a name for the rule. Say something like block followed by the app's name. Before we create the rule in Firewall, let me open up Microsoft Edge and show you that it has access to the internet. You see, when I refresh the page, Google loads perfectly fine. Let's go back to the wizard. After you've filled out the name and description for the new rule, click on Finish. When I now open Microsoft Edge and refresh the same web page, it won't load. That's odd. It blocked the web page for a second, but Google still somehow loads. Let's try again. The same thing again. Seems like because I had Google open before creating the rule, it's triggering issues. Let's open Google in another tab. Okay, so it's now blocking internet access just fine. I am getting the ERR-QIC protocol error, a sign that the internet access has been restricted effectively. You can similarly block as many apps and programs as you want on Windows 10 and 11. When you want to restore internet connectivity to the program, open the Advanced Settings for Windows Defender Firewall, go to Outbound Rules, locate the rule you created earlier, right-click on it, and select Delete. Click Yes in the confirmation prompt. When I now refresh the web page, it loads fine. FYI, instead of deleting it, you can also disable the rule to restore internet access temporarily. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.